Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the NFC reader on your iPhone. Whether you're using a newer model or an older one, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your NFC reader is activated and ready to use. So let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This is a default app, but if you don't see it on your device, you can download it from the App Store. Then navigate to Automation. Tap on New Automation. From the list of triggers, scroll down and select NFC. Once you select it, tap Scan to begin setting it up. When prompted, hold your iPhone near an NFC tag. The device will scan the tag, activating the NFC reader in the process. From here, your iPhone will be able to scan and interact with NFC tags seamlessly. And that's it. With these steps, you can enable the NFC reader on your iPhone even if it's not automatically activated. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.